Wondering how to become a real estate agent in California? Working as a realtor in the Golden State is a smart choice. California is one of the areas in which real estate agents make the most money. And while the real estate market is competitive, it's actually not that hard to become an agent. Let's take a look at what it takes to get a California real estate license. What we're going to cover in today's video, along with timestamps, is the following. First, we're going to talk about the process of becoming a California real estate agent. Then we're going to talk about the qualifications for becoming a real estate agent. We're going to talk about attending California real estate school, then how to pass the final exams for your real estate courses, preparing for the final salesperson exam, and finding a sponsoring broker and finishing your application. At the very end, I'll cover some frequently asked questions that I get asked the most. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, and I've been a realtor and team leader for over 13 years. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. First, let's talk about the process of becoming a California real estate agent. What does it mean to hold a real estate license in California? When you have a license, you're legally allowed to perform real estate transactions in the state of California. Without a real estate license and a broker, you cannot do this. To become a real estate agent in California, you're going to need the following. First, you're going to need to meet the minimum licensing qualifications, which are completing 135 hours of real estate school. Then you're going to need to pass the real estate school pre-licensing course exam, pass the California state exam, and then find a broker to sponsor you so that way you can complete your licensing application. Of these, going to school is going to take the longest amount of time. After you've done the above steps successfully and your license application has been approved, you'll be able to start conducting real estate transactions. You'll be a fully licensed real estate agent able to work under your managing broker, and you'll maintain that license for 4 years. So, what are the qualifications for becoming a California real estate agent? To become a California real estate agent, you're going to need to be at least 18 years old. You don't need to be a California resident. And there are no educational requirements, as in high school, college, that type of thing. The only real qualifications to becoming an agent are to be dedicated, determined, and tenacious. However, some qualifications can make the process easier. Just to reiterate, we're talking about becoming a licensed real estate agent. If you'd like to know about the differences between an agent and a broker, check out the video that I'll link above. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go and attend a California real estate school or an online school. A California real estate agent must attend 135 hours of school before they can acquire their license. This includes 35 hours of real estate principles, 45 hours of real estate practices, and 45 hours of real estate finance. So what are real estate principles? This section covers the fundamental principles of real estate, including how real estate transactions work, how real estate closings occur, and how to renew and maintain your real estate license in California. What about real estate practices? This part of the course reviews essential skills that a real estate agent must have, including working with clients, determining how much a property should be valued, negotiating for buyers, pre-qualifying buyers, and more. This includes the practical parts of running a real estate business. If you're interested in checking out my tips for growing your real estate business, check out my other video here. And what's covered in real estate finance? Lastly, real estate finance covers in-depth information about real estate financing, how properties are financed, leased, and otherwise purchased. This is critical for real estate agents to understand how the transactions are actually managed. These classes are important because they prepare you for the realities of holding a real estate license and prepare you for the California real estate exam. There are many real estate schools to choose from. Some of them operate entirely online, some of them are in person, and some have hybrid routines. It depends on your schedule and how you learn best. If you want to learn more about the best options for online real estate school, check out the video that I'll link above. After real estate school, you must pass the final exams in your real estate courses. Each real estate course you take will have a final. To pass the course, you will need to at least get a 70% on each final. However, you do have 2 attempts to pass. These tests are important because they test your ability to retain what you've learned so far, and they further provide you with the knowledge necessary to pass the next exam for your license. After that, you can take a course to prepare for the salesperson exam, although this is optional. If you've attended your real estate courses and gone through the real estate exams, you should be prepared for the salesperson exam. Some prospective realtors pay extra for a preparatory lesson on the California salesperson exam itself, but this is optional. Preparatory materials will go over exactly what's on the California salesperson exam to ensure that you retain the knowledge. Next, you must pass the California salesperson examination. The California salesperson exam will take approximately 3 hours and be about 150 questions long. Like the individual section exams, you will need to pass at least 70% to pass the state exam. Once you pass the licensing exam, you aren't already licensed. You still have a few additional steps to take. One of the next steps to get your salesperson's license is you're going to need to find a broker to sponsor you. This is the broker that you will work with to help launch your career. Now, while you might need a brokerage, the brokerage also needs you. The brokerage is looking to sponsor a successful real estate agent. You should be careful about choosing your sponsoring broker. Look for a broker that can help support you in your real estate career, has a good reputation, and has many listings in your area. And lastly, you'll have to finish your real estate license application. Once you have both passed your exam and found a sponsoring broker, you can finish your licensing application. The state will review and approve your application, and then you'll be a full real estate professional. As a real estate licensee, you can operate as both a residential and commercial real estate agent. You will have basic knowledge about real estate law and real estate finance. Your next step after a real estate salesperson's license may be a broker's license. Congratulations, you're now a real estate licensee. You will work with your broker to build up your listings and your network. A real estate licensee and real estate school make it possible for you to conduct a real estate transaction, but no amount of pre-licensing education makes a good agent a good agent. An agent will have to be determined, motivated, and a hard worker if they want to succeed. Now, let's get into some frequently asked questions. What do you have to do to maintain your real estate license? A realtor will need to renew their California real estate license every 4 years. To do this, you'll need to take a 45-hour continuing education course. This will go over the industry and any changes to the current real estate practice. How much does it cost to become a California real estate agent? The cost of becoming a real estate agent will vary depending on, for example, what real estate school you choose. But on average, it's around $900 for agents and $1,300 for brokers. The license exam is only $60, but there's a $245 licensing fee. The broker exam costs more than the realtor exam, but you cannot become a real estate broker without experience as an agent. How do you become a California real estate broker? Once you become a real estate agent, you may set your eye on becoming a broker. A broker is going to need 2 years of full-time experience as a real estate salesperson first. Alternatively, they can have a 4-year degree in real estate. From there, you can become a licensed broker or an associate broker, which eventually allows you to have other agents work under you. Does being a California real estate agent require a background check? The state will conduct a background check when you get a real estate license, whether it's a license as a real estate agent or a real estate broker. But that doesn't mean they'll disqualify you if you have passed indiscretions. To get a California real estate license, you must not have a conviction of a crime that relates to real estate transactions. Otherwise, this would cast doubt on your ability to perform those transactions truthfully and reliably. How long will it take to become a California real estate agent? Getting your real estate license should take about 5 to 6 months. This may vary depending on how many times you need to take the California real estate license exam and how long it takes you to find a sponsoring broker. Getting your broker license will take longer as you need years of experience in the field. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew in the comments to let me know that you watched all the way to the end. And now I'm going to turn it over to you. Are you a real estate agent in California or looking to become one? What tips do you have for growing your real estate business in California? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.